student. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is very important for you. That chapter is loop. So before I start the loop, I would like to tell you the types of programming construct. Students, you know there are three types of programming construct. One is called sequential programming construct. Second is called selection programming construct, and third one is called the iteration programming construct or iterative programming construct. Student, in sequential programming construct, the sequence means execution of a program in sequence. Execution of a programming statements in sequence, that is from first line. The execution of program begins from the first line and one by one execute line by line till the end of the program. So this is called the sequential programming construct, because in sequential programming construct, program statement will execute in a sequence one after another from first line to the last line, means the from beginning to end. In selection programming construct allow us to execute some selected set of statement. This is also called decision making statement. Okay, in which we have done a programming with if statement and with switch statement. So this part is over. Now the next new programming construct is iteration programming construct, in which iteration programming construct is the iteration statement allow a set of statements to be performed repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. Means the iteration means repetition. Okay, the repetition statement means the iteration statements allow a set of statement, a group of statements to be performed repeatedly until certain condition is fulfilled. The iteration statements are also called as loops. Iteration statements are also called as loops or looping statements. Means student, loop means repetition. Loop means repetition. Repetition of a statement or statements. Repetition of a statement or statements means group of statements. Repetition of a statement or statements till the given number of times. Okay, student, means repetition of a statement is called a loop. And the repetition is depending upon a condition. Condition means till the time the condition is true or till the time condition evaluates to true, the loop will continue executes. As soon as the condition evaluates to false, the loop will terminate. Okay, student. So this is very important chapter. This is very important for you. So learn it nicely. Keep concentrate. In Java, there are three types of loop. There are three types of loops. First loop is called while loop. Second loop is called for loop. And the third loop is called do while loop. While loop, for loop and do while loop. Students, one by one we will learn with the program while loop, for loop and do while loop. But before starting the loop, we have to know the elements of loop. Elements of loop that controls and govern the execution of a loops. Okay, so which are the elements? Now one by one you see the elements of loop. Elements of loop. Students, in every loop, means either in while loop, for loop or do while loop, you will get the four elements. Four elements which control the entire execution of the loop, in which the first element is initialization expression. Initialization expression. Initialization means giving first value to the loop variable. Initialization means giving first value to the loop. Before entering into the loop, the loop variable must be initialized. Before entering into the loop variable must be initialized. Okay. The initialization of the loop variable student, loop variable is also known as control variable. Okay, the initialization of loop variable takes place under initialization expression. Under initialization expression. The initialization expression gives the loop variable their first value. The initialization expression is executed only once, that is in the beginning of the loop. Student, initialization expression before entering into the loop variable is also called as control variable, means the loop variable must be initialized, and the initialization process means the giving first value to the loop variable is called initialization of loop variable. So the initialization of loop variable take place under initialization expression, and the initialization expression gives the loop variable their first value. Okay, so the initialization expression is executed only once. Student, only once means its work is to give the first value to the loop variable. Okay, and the initialization expression is executed only once, that is in the beginning of the loop. Okay, so this is initialization expression. In initialization expression, the loop variable get its first value. Second element is test expression. Second element is test expression. Test expression is also called as condition. Okay, the test expression also called as condition. The test expression is an expression whose truth value decides whether the loop body will execute or not, will be executed or not. Means the test expression condition is an expression whose truth value, you know student, test expression is a relational expression or logical expression which gives two values, either true or false. means the test expression is the expression whose truth value decides whether the loop body will be executed or not, whether the loop body will be executed or not. Okay, if the test expression evaluates to true, the loop body will be executed. Means if the test expression evaluates to true, the loop body will be executed. Otherwise means if the test expression evaluates to false, otherwise means if the test expression evaluates to false, the loop is terminated. Means only the truth value of test expression can execute the loop body. Okay, this is the second element. Now third element. Third element is the update expression. Third element is the update expression. Update expression. Update expression means the update expression change the value of loop variable. Change means either increased, either the value of loop value will be increased or decreased. Okay, means anyhow the value of loop variable will be changed with the help of update expression. Okay, the update expression is executed at the last, that is after executing the loop body. Okay, update expression, the only one work is of update expression is to change the value of loop variable or control variable. Okay, student, pause it. Okay, student. Now the fourth element is the loop body. Loop body. Okay, the loop body. The statements. The statements or statement, if the statement is single, then it is statement, or statements are more than one statement are called statements. The statements that are executed in each iteration or each repetition of loop. The statements that are executed in each iteration, or you can say in each repetition, the statement or set of statements which are executed in every repetition is called as the loop body. Okay, student, these are the four elements of loop, or four components of loop. You can say these components control the entire execution of loop. Okay, now I am starting the first loop, that is while loop. Pause. So student, I am going to start the first type of loop, that is while loop. So while loop is an entry control loop. Student, we see this is the first sentence and very important. While loop is an entry control loop, means when we entered into the loop, when we will enter into the loop, at that time the loop will check the condition. If the condition is evaluated to true, we can enter into the loop. Okay. So entry control means the checking of condition at the time of entrance. The checking of condition at the time of entrance. If the condition evaluates to true, the control will get inside the loop. Similarly, suppose in a movie theater, in a cinema hall, if you have ticket, then you can enter into the movie hall. Otherwise, you are not allowed. Similarly, the while loop is an entry control loop. It will check the condition before entering into the loop. It will check the condition before entering into the loop. If the condition evaluates to true, the loop body will be executed. If the condition evaluates to true, the loop body will be executed. And the execution of loop body continues again and again till the condition evaluates to true. Okay, till the condition evaluates to true. As soon as the condition evaluates to false, the loop will terminate. Okay, see the syntax. While condition statement. Okay. See, this is the syntax. While condition means first of all the condition will be evaluated. Okay. If condition evaluates to true, then the control get inside the loop, move inside the loop, and this statement will be executed. And this statement will execute again and again till this condition evaluates to true. Okay. Let's start our first program. This is question number 35 on the first program of loop. Student, write a program to display first 10 natural number. Display first 10 natural numbers. See student, this is the program. This is a small program, but in this program I will explain, I will show you the component of loops, means initialization expression, test expression, that is condition, update expression, and the loop body. And I will explain how the while loop will work, means the working of while loop. Students, see here, int I is equal to 1, means using this expression we are giving I their first value. Okay, therefore this part is the initialization expression. This part is called the initialization expression, and using this expression the variable I will get its first value, that is 1. So see, the value of I is 1. Okay, after initializing the variable I, control transfer to the next statement. Here the condition will be checked, that is I less than is equal to 10. The value of I is 1, less than or equal to 10. Student, 1 is less than or equal to 10. This part is true because 1 is smaller than 10. So the condition is true. So this part is called the test expression. Okay. Now test expression evaluates to true. The control get inside the loop. And the print statement is executed. System.out.print I, and the value of I is 1. Current value of I is 1. Therefore 1 will be printed. After printing 1, I plus plus will execute. I plus plus means the value of I increased by 1. I plus plus means the value of I is increased by 1. Now the new value of I is 2. So this part is called update expression. And after execution of the test expression, when test expression evaluates to true, these statements executed. Okay. Therefore, from opening bracket to the closing bracket of while loop is called body of loop or loop body. It's called loop body. So student, you can check This part is called initialization expression, this part is called test expression, this part is called loop body, and this part is called update expression. This part is called update expression. Okay. So then after executing the update expression, the control again goes to control test expression. And here again the condition will be evaluated, that is I less than equal to 10, and this time the value of I is 2. Therefore 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Now control gets inside the loop. Again this line will be executed, system.out.print I, and the value of I is 2, therefore 2 will be printed. After execution of this statement, the I++ will execute, means the value of I increased by 1 again. So the new value of I is 3. Again the test expression will evaluate, that is 3 less than equal to 10, condition is true again. Again the loop will execute, that is I will be printed 3. Again I++ 4, 4 less than equal to 10, condition is true, again 4 will be printed. So this way student, it is up to 10. When the value of I is 10, 10 less than equal to 10, condition is true, 10 will be printed. After printing 10, I++, the value of I is 11. Now the 11 less than equal to 10, this time the condition evaluates to false. 11 less than equals to 10, 11 less than or equals to 10, this time condition is false. Therefore condition false, the loop will terminate, means the control move outside the loop. This is the working of while loop. Student, in this section I have explained the loop, iteration statement, that is loop. Second is the elements of loop. Third is while loop and syntax of while loop, and one example of while loop which shows the working of a while loop. Student, I will send you some new questions in your group. You try to solve, and in my next video I will show you some other questions. Okay students, thank you, bye bye.